Okay, here we are at lesson 9, using images. And this starts off showing you an image already inserted into your web page using the image source code here along with an alternate code. And it is inserting this file here, the dog.jpg. It wants you to go down below the cat's header. So if I scroll down here, I'm going to go ahead and use the way that they've done the dog image and use that as an example to insert this cat image. So I'm going to go ahead and do my less than, and I'm going to do image source, src equals, and then in parentheses, and on this platform, all your different files pop up as soon as you do a quote. I'm looking for the cat. And I'm going to finish that off with my greater than symbol, and I can scroll down right away. My cat is already there. That's all there is to this. When you get on to the next ones, it starts having you add different, giving credit and attributions for your images. But that's bubble number 1. Now, as you move on to bubble number 4, it's going to start having you take a look at sort of finding the bugs within here. And bubble 4, a lot of folks have trouble with this because you're not quite sure why this is not working. All right, so you've got this sitting here, you got it working, all right, and nothing is appearing, but how do I get these in here? And the first thing you need to do is go ahead and take a look at the file names for a lot of your different images here and make sure that they don't have any symbols. So for example, this one here, this image of this Adelat, has some parentheses in there and whatnot. So I'm going to go ahead and just shorten it down. That's going to make it a lot easier to use it within my website. And I'm going to do some of the same thing to some of these other file names as I move through. When you finally get down to your bubble number 7, which is your assessment, this is where you're going to go and grab some images, add those images. You're going to insert them within your HTML using all those different types of rules. That's all there is to lesson 9. As long as you know the syntaxed rule for being able to insert images using the IMG REF, you will be able to work your way through lesson 9 pretty easily.